Hi everybody! Today I'm going to show you how to make an easy paper airplane that flies really well. First, I'm going to fold the paper in half. Now I open it up and there is a line in the middle. Next, I'm going to take the corner and fold it to the line in the middle. I'm going to do the same on the top. Next, I'm going to take this corner and fold it again into the middle. I'm going to do the same with the top corner, fold it down to the middle line. Now I'm going to fold my plane in half. Finally, I'm ready to make the wings. I'll take the top edge and fold it down to the bottom. Flip my plane over and do the same. Fold the top edge down to the bottom. This is how you make a paper airplane that flies really well.